Did you ever wonder what makes someone decide that they want to start their own online company? Hi, my name is Nicole Thompson, and I am the online business owner for Pause to Perfection Promotions. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I decided to start my own company. I had always wanted to do something more, to be more than an employee, somebody who was just going to make minimum wage or the lowest wage an employer was willing to pay for someone without a fancy degree. So I always felt like there was something more that I needed to be doing with my life. As a kid, I was always goofing around with my little businesses. I had the toy cash register and I had the Snoopy snow cone machine. And every time my parents had a garage sale, I was making cookies and baking cupcakes that I could sell too. So I always wanted something that was just me. Now this mindset kind of led to a lot of different types of jobs over the years. I mean, I've been everything from a cashier in a fast food restaurant to an orthodontic assistant to a graphic designer. So, and there was a lot of jobs sprinkled in between there too. But with each and every one of these jobs that I held, I got a new experience that I could learn from. And every experience that I had gave me a new expertise that I could call my own. So these skills that I was learning customer service and order entry and how to deal with the public, how to handle money, all these different computer applications like for graphic design and for accounting. These were all things that were building my expertise and were so instrumental in me starting my own company. And plus I had this huge drive that I just couldn't shake. I knew that I was meant to do more than just work for someone else. But now, if you're just starting out as an employee, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, it is imperative for you to go out there and learn from these people, learn from your employers, get that real life experience that you can then form into your own expertise that you then have to offer. Because it's our experiences in life that build our expertise, and it's our expertise that forms what we have to offer the world. So you might actually be surprised to find out that you have a business in you too. If you'd like to learn more about how you can start your own online business, be sure to follow my page here on Facebook because I have some big surprises coming up in the next few weeks. And if you see those 3 dots up at the top, go ahead and click on those. You can save this video, follow my page. Also, drop me a message in the comments section. I'll be happy to get back in touch with you and talk to you about your next steps on how you can get started on making your own, building your own online business for yourself. My name is Nicole Thompson. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.